Hey everybody, it's SaskiaSketches and today I'm opening up another Scrawlrbox. But before that, real quick, this video is actually sponsored! Oh my goodness, I can't believe it, I actually managed to get a sponsor. Sadly it's not Scrawlrbox, but I've been sponsored by Creator-P and it's one of my favourite apps, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it a bit later on in the video, but first let's get into the Scrawlrbox. No way! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! It's I'm fangirling. Oh my gosh, it's my drawing with waffles. I saw a little signature. I was like, oh, I'm such a big fan of her. Oh, I love that. I'm guessing we're going to get some purple supplies. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. Oh my goodness. If you don't know her, please go check her out. She's amazing. I'll put all these links in the description down below. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Okay, look, we got 2 pieces of paper. It's pretty small paper. Normally you get a little bit larger sheet. It's very interesting. It's got quite a smooth texture. I don't think it's for watercolors or something. It feels like it might be good with markers or highlighters. I think we might get highlighters because she really loves those, right? No way! Oh, we got coping markers! You're kidding me! This is one of the most amazing Scrawlrboxes I've ever had. Whoa! What? Oh my gosh, blues. Oh! I'm gonna open this right away. Whoa! This is incredible! Like, we've got a Copic multi-liner in the colour wine, so that's a red one. Oh, I am so excited for this. Whoa. And this is a brush pen? I guess a glittery brush pen or something? Or maybe it's a bullet nib. And, oh my gosh. Mauve shadow and blueberry. Oh, that's awesome. I don't think I have these. I guess the closest thing I have is this one. That's a prune. Oh, that's the one that's right in between these. Blue Violet 02. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. What? Oh, okay. Look what else we got. A Derwent paint pen. Ooh, I can't wait for her video to come out on this Scrawlrbox. And this one, a Faber-Castell 2.5 HB pencil. And look, I think we have a pin! Oh, it's a Scrawlrbox pin! I thought it might be a Drawing with Waffles pin, but that's so cool! I love pins. I mean, my friends and I have a bit of a pin obsession. So we end up buying a ton of them. I like to stick them in my marker case or my backpack. I think I'm going to stick this with my markers. Ooh, that's so much fun. Don't drop it. Okay, let me show you. So it was this way up, right? I think that's right. This is where I store my markers. So I think I might put it here. Yep, there we go. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. Nice. My gosh, this is by far the greatest Scrawlrbox I've ever received. Look at that sticker. It's purple. Whoa. And we've got purple candy, purple sweets. What kind of flavour would this be? Huh, guess I'll see. And there's more. An kneadable eraser, of course. She loves these things. Oh, cool. Let's see. Can we open this? Come on. The other way? How does this work? Oh, what is this? Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Sorry, guys. Maybe you do not use this? Oh yeah, that works. Nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to create some art. Ooh, wouldn't it be fun to... Oh yeah, I've got a good idea. I'm gonna do it. Oh! Yes. Oh, I'm gonna use these supplies and use them as she would. I think that would be so much fun to try and do that. I'm such a big fan of drawing with waffles. Oh my gosh. But that was everything in the box. Oh my gosh. Ah. Ah. Okay, let's get into the artwork. So, as you guys can probably tell, I was incredibly excited for this, and the reason for that was because I really love drawing with waffles, and I've been watching her for years now, and I mean, she's one of my favourite artists ever, and to, you know, get something like a Scrawlrbox, like these Scrawlrbox unboxings, I do because I watched her do them, and I really thought they were a lot of fun, and that's why I started doing them as well. That's why I wanted a Scrawlrbox subscription, and like, oh my goodness, to, you know, she's one of my YouTube heroes. You see, she's one of the reasons that I started this channel, and now you know why I'm such, you know, a mess whilst filming this. I was so excited and fangirling so much, and yeah. So my idea for this drawing was I wanted to do something inspired by drawing with waffles, so definitely I had to draw a girl, or in this case I drew myself, or like my avatar, and I also really wanted to draw some Pokemon because I'm sponsored by Creatorpea, and that's probably a segue that I could have used, but I want to talk about the piece a little bit more. Yeah, so I want to draw some Pokemon. So I was really inspired by the colours and by Halloween and stuff that's right around the corner. So well, I think it'll have been Halloween when this video goes up, but yeah, whatever. It's right around that time, and I'm sure you'll still be in the spirit. Yeah, so I really wanted to draw some something spooky, and so I decided to draw yeah, myself as a Pokemon trainer with my Miss Magius and my Gengar. So I really love how this came out. I tried to make it spooky and dark, and you know, like, oh, you just ran into me in the middle of the night in an abandoned like place, and I'm challenging you to a Pokemon fight. Pokemon battle. Oh, it's so much fun. I love drawing myself as a Pokemon trainer because it's just, it really is, it's so much fun. And the supplies in this box were really awesome because, like, as you can see, we got the Copic markers and like the white pen, the white paint marker, I should say. It's a really good one. It was so opaque, and it's amazing for adding those highlights and those details, and especially if you have such a dark piece as I did, because you'll see that in a bit. Now it's not very dark yet, but yeah. And you know, that Copic multi-liner, I mean, they are amazing, they're really good, and because this one is red, I feel like I'm going to use it a lot for sketching, because, you know, you guys know I love sketching with fine liners and stuff, and especially in coloured fine liners, so that's really cool. I mean, they do need to be a little bit dark, and that's why this one is so awesome, because it's such a dark, deep red. And that glitter pen was amazing, and this kneadable eraser thing was also great. I mean, it was just full of awesome supplies. I mean, the pencil was good. I just loved it so much. And so I decided to make this piece like Drawing with Waffles would. So I sketched out in pencil, and then I went over it with the kneaded eraser to lighten up the sketch. I normally don't really do that, but sometimes I do if I have a really dark sketch, but I don't sketch as much in pencil anymore anyway. I mostly sketch in ballpoint pen and that kind of stuff. But yeah, so that's what I did. I then did the line art with the red pen and stuff, and then I started colouring it with the markers. And after that was done, I solidified the line art a little bit more, and I did some of the paint details in the white paint pen, and with the glitters I did some details as well. And I really enjoyed making this piece. It was so much fun, and the only trouble that I had was the contrast, because even the Scrawlrbox card mentioned that the colours are a bit difficult to create contrast with, but I think I managed in the end. And I mean, it's supposed to be dark at night and stuff, so it's okay if the contrast is a bit lost, but I feel like you can still tell what's going on, and that's the most important part, of course. And now I wanted to talk a little bit about today's sponsor, Creator-P, and Creator-P is kindly sponsoring today's video. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about this awesome app. If you love Pokemon, you'll love this app for sure. Creator-P is a free app that lets you create and customize any Pokemon and transfer them to your game via GTS. And there's no hacking or glitching involved, so it's simple and anyone can do it. The app comes with easy to understand instructions and is completely free. If you're curious as to how it works, again, it's super simple. All you need is a low-level Caterpie, which are really easy to come by, and 100 in-app coins, also relatively easy to acquire. You need to download the app, which is available on both iOS and Android, and create a new Pokemon, and then upload it to the GTS, and the app will show you exactly how to do that. And then all you'll need to do is wait a few minutes, and ta-da! Your Caterpie will get traded and for the exact Pokemon that you customized. The cool thing about this app is that you don't have to pay a cent if you don't want to. You can earn coins by doing a couple of games, or you can receive coins if you introduce a friend to Creator-P, and of course you can also buy the coins. And if you're like me and don't have endless time to grind for shiny Pokemon, but gosh, that shiny Giratina sure is gorgeous, you can easily get it for free. It sounds too good to be true. Yeah, definitely it does. But it's real. Trust me, I would only recommend something like this if it was legit. And they sponsored me because I reached out to them and because I genuinely love this app. And I feel like more people should know about it. So please consider downloading the app. I'll have all the links in the description down below. And a big thank you to Creator-P for sponsoring today's video. It means a lot to me to have a sponsor, and I'm so happy that you guys wanted to be the first one. So now we're almost at the end of the video, and you can see that I'm struggling a little bit to create that contrast that I was looking for in the piece. So I went over with the darkest marker a couple of times to create some shadows and to try to darken up the sky and stuff. Yeah, later on I also go in with the the glitter pen to try and create some cool effects, and I'll show you like a little bit of how that came out. That was really cool. And I also drew some cool stars and stuff with the white pen, but you'll see that in a bit probably. And oh my goodness, I almost forgot to tell you about this paper. It's bleed proof. What? Like, it's different paper than the thing in my sketchbook. Like, how? I don't understand. It's what? I don't understand why all this technology is coming from, and it's Canson or wallpaper. Like they called it a paper called the wall or something. But it's so cool. Like, oh my goodness, what? I am loving where the marker and paper industry is going. Yeah, so it was really a blast to use these supplies and to use something that's so much inside my comfort zone, because I love these supplies, and the way Drawing with Waffles draws is mostly how I draw as well. So this was really cool, and I loved this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more art videos every single Friday. Have a great weekend, guys, and keep on sketching. Bye!